Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your house a smart home in Heartopia. So go to the research store and make sure you've researched the control panels. We have the wall-mounted one, the standing one, and then the floor one, and we also have some buttons over here as well. Then to buy it, I'm just going to go to this area here. Wonder how much it will cost. I think I'm just going to buy this one first. Okay, 50 wishing stars, so just keep that in mind. Let's purchase it, and let's go back to the house, and I'll show you guys how you can use it. Okay, so you have to place it in your house, and then you have to go to the build mode to connect it to like doors or like lights. So let's press this, and basically we're just going to aim it to the lamp here, like so. And then I'm just going to aim it to another lamp. You can only connect it to 10 items. So here I'm just going to connect it to these lamps here. Can I do it on like a string light? I'm not sure if I can. I'll just connect it to a door. What else can I feel like it's just only the like lamps up there and the door. I don't know why I cannot connect it to the string light. Okay, I don't think you can. Then you're just going to press the check mark button. Right. Can I not do that? Already connected. Wait, do I have to do that again? Okay, just press X, like so. And then let's get out of build mode to show you guys the completed results. Okay, let's see if this works. Let's press it. Super cool, you guys. Oh my gosh, now I have a smart home. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!